Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. It's time for another What's in the Box. I really think you're going to like this one. Wiring harnesses are not a lot of fun. I don't care what people tell you. Pulling a wiring harness through a body can be very challenging. Routing all the wires, making all the connections, getting everything to fit right, it's not easy. Well, guess what? EMPI is going to help you out. We have designed and engineered in Anaheim, California, brand new OE-style wiring harnesses. And I'm excited to show you what's in the box. So let's have a look. So the first thing I want to point out to you, comprehensive instructions. When you're looking at a wiring harness on the internet and you're thinking, how low can I get that price? Take a minute and figure out, does it come with instructions? Because what we noticed in the marketplace was a page that showed the wiring harness through the body of your Type 1. That's not really instructions. That's kind of a general, where does this thing go? Wiring harnesses have lots of branches, and they connect to lots of things in your vehicle. Your headlight switch, for example, everything behind your instrument panel. Your wiring harness is doing a lot of work for you. You don't see it, but knowing where everything needs to go, where the wires terminate, that's really important. So EMPI gives you the most comprehensive instructions in the marketplace. The next thing EMPI does is give you a nice big bag of your actual harness. So what you're getting here is an OE-style harness with OE-style connectors that are actually going to fit your vehicle. So that's great news. If you're doing a resto and your wiring is bodged and cut and nasty, then you're thinking, hey, I want to do a new wiring harness. I want to do a nice wiring harness. I want to do a wiring harness for a fair price. EMPI's got you covered. So let's start with great instructions, right? Secondly, OE-style actual, I think we would call this the loom. This is the main portion of the harness, right? So that's your loom. Now, here's where it gets different, so get ready for this, all right? Each individual branch wire in your application, this particular one is for a 62 to 64 bug, okay? So as you see here, we have 5 other harnesses ready to rock, and we have multiple other harnesses in process and production. So yes, I hear you bus guys, you want bus love. We've got bus love for you very, very soon. But individual branch wires with individual numbers, individually packaged, nobody else is doing that. So if you're saying, oh, but I could save $30 here or $50 here on the internet, oh boy. How much are you going to spend going to a professional, having them figure out where does this thing go? If you get the EMPI wiring harness, this is what you're going to see. Complete instructions, individually numbered and packaged branch wires in the correct OE style and color. So you are going to get a factory level wiring harness at an aftermarket price. So that's what's in the box. Really, really excited about it. I think you're going to like this. If you're working on a resto project and you haven't purchased a new harness yet, talk to your nearest EMPI distributor. They're going to hook you up. Thanks so much for watching.